Well, this is my Garmin that I'm using in my transport truck. And now it's in my 2014 Dodge Ram. This is Garmin, what is it, DEZL track specific 5-inch screen. And right now I'm in car mode. So let's say we just want to find points of interest. Spell name. Let's say we want to find a red lobster. And I'm in Niagara Falls, Ontario. Oh, got it. See, a red lobster, 6220 Lundy's Lane. Alright, let's go there. How many times do I have to push this button? Okay, and one thing I learned since I did the last video is that now I know how to set up this.
Please drive to highlighted route.
The extra screen, so you can actually see, you know, the time arrival. I see it says arrive in 4.9 kilometers, arrival time 12:58 p.m. Elevation, very important to know, 198 meters. Speed is 0. So let's go for a ride. And we're shooting at 480p, 240 frames per second, wide angle. That's the only one is available with this mode, but and I can increase the scale here, make it smaller, make it bigger, but this should be okay. Alright, let's go. I think actually the exit is this way. It's my new favorite area in Niagara Falls. It's a bit away from the actual town, but here you have a big shopping area. You have the brand new Starbucks, which even smells new inside. That's where I just been sitting. My truck was in the parking lot. And you have a movie theater, you know, shopping center. And the streets are wider. And you have the Tim Hortons coffee shop on the other side there that I really don't like.
Left on Montrose Road.
Alright. And I find that with this GPS, you know, it gives you warning, and the advance notice, like how early you get the warning, depends on your speed, like how fast you're approaching the intersection. If you're going real slow,
continue 2.1 kilometers, then turn right on Lundy's Lane.
And So I really like that it's not too obtrusive like my previous TomTom. It doesn't give you too many warnings, just in time, and it increases the scale of the map automatically when you're about to make a turn, and after that it goes back to like normal scale. So it's my new favorite GPS. Yeah, I'm now using it in my big truck, in my small truck. And the fall is coming. It's getting colder, but still pretty warm here in Niagara Falls, Canada. But it's windy today, so otherwise I would have opened the window, but I'm afraid it would interfere. Oh, look at that, that's a pig on the left. Am I dreaming?
Pig on the left. Am I dreaming? Wow.
That's a real pig. Animals on the street. Well, I can already see how this video is going to be a hit on YouTube. Right along with those how to fart and how to put air in your tires. I made a comment on my channel earlier today that I still cannot.
350 meters, turn right on Lundy's Lane.
I still cannot believe that someone will watch a video to learn how to fart. I mean, to me that doesn't seem so complicated, but evidently almost 1 million people were fascinated by that subject. And we're turning right here. This is Highway 20, Lundy's Lane.
Turn right on Lundy's Lane. Continue 2 kilometers to Red Lobster on right.
And this is where most of the tourist attractions are located in Niagara Falls. Like over here, they have this big factory outlets. Canada One. Lots of stores. And this is the QEW, the freeway, but for some reason such a big street, Lundy's Lane, and there's no access to the freeway. Because you probably saw I was right near the freeway at that shopping center, and over there they have access, they have ramps. That's of course the big plus of new areas, because they always think about how people are gonna get there. Like here you have all these restaurants and hotels, and you gotta take local roads to get here. It's some really crazy planning. Sorry, that's my keys making noise there. I had to move my keys from my trailer that's sitting back in Cambridge, because I don't want people fooling around with that 13 horsepower Honda Pony motor, because that would be dangerous. And you can see people are just wearing t-shirts. It's a really good day today. Sunday, September 21st, 2014. And we're gonna make a stop here, but the Red Lobster is right down this road, 900 meters further towards the lake. And this is another Starbucks where I often stop here. And we're gonna finish this video over here. Well, thanks for watching my movie.